Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about how to use OBS on Omegle without getting banned. The truth is you cannot use OBS with Omegle in 2024 because Omegle has stopped their services since 2023. Okay, you can if you want to see, I can show you. You have to go to Omegle. Now, if you click on this omegle.com, you can see that Omegle has been started from 2009 and ended 2023. So Omegle has been stopped the service since then. Okay, so you cannot use OBS with Omegle without getting banned, or you cannot use Omegle with OBS anyhow. Okay guys, so this is what I want to say in this video. If you find this information helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.